Hi guys, this is Vijan. This is BMW 320D. Today we are going to see how to change engine bed. This is engine bed. How to remove and refixing. This is lower side bed bolt. This also. Another one. See this bracket. Remove 16 size bolt. 4 bolt have. Remove this bracket. Then this is lower bed bolt. The another one is upside. Remove the 2 bolts. Then jack to engine. Remove upside 1 bolt also. Today, how to change BMW 320D gearbox oil. This is gearbox pan. So gearbox bolt. See, remove all bolt. Then take the pan. Use T40 hex bit and remove gearbox pan bolt. Remove this 2 bolt. Okay. Then this one. Okay, see this and this. Engine bed upper side bolt 16 mm. All bolt removed. Gearbox oil. Drain it. Gearbox oil filling. Oil level nut. Remove the oil level nut. Then fill in the oil. Finish the engine bed. then fill the oil. Oil is full. Start the engine, then fill the balance oil. Automatic transmission oil is must for gear changing. The oil quantity is very bad. The gear changing also very bad.